Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. This is the second mock paper for recruitment test for junior science teacher BPS-14. In the first mock paper, the paper pattern for IBI screening test matriculation category was shared. So this paper will provide you an opportunity to analyze your preparation accordingly. So in this mock paper, there will be 20 questions based on English. In English, there will be a reading passage, 10 questions, prepositions, 5 questions, and 5 questions on error detection and sentence structure. Part 2, subject knowledge, there will be 17 questions on physics, 17 questions on chemistry, 17 questions on biology, and 17 questions on mathematics, and remaining 12 questions on computer. So this is the unofficial test syllabus, so you should prepare accordingly. I'm going to share all the questions with answers, so this will be a long video, and also I'm going to share explanation of each questions. So I would recommend you to note down all the things that I'm going to share with you. So pause the video and read this reading passage. I'm going to share just questions and answers. So here we go. Question number 1. The author's primary argument is the digital connectivity has A. Become irrelevant to modern society. B. Created contradictory social outcomes. C. Solved the problems of loneliness. D. Unambiguously improved human relationship. And the correct answer is B. Created contradictory social outcomes. This question asks the main idea, identifying the central theme or argument presented by the author. Question number 2. Based on the passage, algorithmic engagement is problematic because it A. Reduces internet speeds, B. Prioritizes profit over developmental needs, C. Improves educational outcomes, D. Encourages face-to-face interaction. And the correct answer is B. Prioritizes profit over developmental needs. The question is based on inferences, drawing conclusion based on implied information in the context. Question number 3. The paradox in the title refers to A. Technology being both expensive and profitable, B. Increased connectivity coinciding with social fragmentation, C. Adolescents disliking technology despite using it, D. Digital platforms being difficult to operate. And the correct answer is B. Increased connectivity coinciding with social fragmentation. The paradox is explicitly described as digital technologies bringing humanity closer. Ubiquity of social media platforms facilitates instantaneous global communication while simultaneously causing unprecedented social fragmentation and correlative decline in meaningful interpersonal relationship. So this question is based on vocabulary in the context, identifying main idea, understanding the meaning. Question number 4. Neuropsychological research suggests excessive screen time harms A. Physical strength, B. Emotional intelligence development, C. Mathematical abilities, D. Genetic makeup. And the correct answer is B. Emotional intelligence development. Neuropsychological research indicates that excessive digital consumption may impede emotional intelligence development, particularly in interpreting nonverbal cues. So this question is based on locating specific information stated in the passage. Now comes question number 5. The author would most likely support A. Banning all social media, B. Balanced technology policies, C. Eliminating digital education tools, D. Mandating 10-hour daily screen time. And the correct answer is B. Balanced technology policies. The author states that societies now face the dual challenge of mitigating digital addictions while preserving technological genuine benefits to education. आखिर क्या हुआ? Nah. So the correct answer for question number 5 is B, balanced technology policies. The author states that societies now face the dual challenge of mitigating digital addictions while preserving technology's genuine benefits to education and civic engagement. This suggests a balanced approach. This question is based on recommendations inferring the author's likely viewpoint or suggested course of action. Now comes question number 6. The word ubiquity, line 2, most nearly means A, obsolescence, B, omnipresence, C, complexity, D, expense. And the correct answer is B, omnipresence. Ubiquity in the context, the ubiquity of social media platforms means they are everywhere or very common, which is synonymous with omnipresence. This question is based on vocabulary in context, determining the meaning of a word based on how it is used in the sentence. Question number 7. Perverse incentives. Line 7 refers to A, rewards for good behavior, B, unintentionally harmful motivations, C, financial compensation, D, educational scholarships. And the correct answer is B, unintentionally harmful motivations. Perverse incentives for authenticity implies that the like-driven validation systems creates motivations that, despite their apparent purpose, lead to negative or unintended consequences regarding authenticity. This question is based on a vocabulary phrase meaning in context, understanding the connotative and denotative meaning of a phrase with the provided text. Question number 8. Identify the correct verb form. Research dash the excessive consumption may impede development. A, suggest, B, suggests, D, C, suggesting, D, have suggested. And the correct answer is B, suggests. Research is a singular noun, so it requires a singular verb form. Suggests is the correct singular present tense form. This question is based on grammar, a subject-verb agreement. Question number 9. Choose the proper preposition. Reliance dash social interaction competes dash algorithmic engagement. And the correct options are A, on and with, B, at, for, C, in, to, D, by, at. And the correct answer is the correct preposition is option A. The correct prepositional phrase are reliance on social interaction and competes with algorithmic engagement. So this question is based on prepositions, using correct prepositions to show relationship between words. Now comes question number 10. Select the grammatically coherent sentence. A, the platforms facilitate communication global. B, platforms facilitate global communication. C, facilitating communication globally, a platform. D, communication globally by platform facilitates. And the correct answer is B, platforms facilitate global communication. The sentence has the correct subject, verb, object order and proper adjective placement. Option A, C and D have awkward or incorrect word order. So sentence structure is important to get good marks in this situation.